How to set iPhone full charge voice alert for free. So let's see. Search an app already built in your phone. Name is Shortcut. Or you can open App Store, search Shortcut, open Shortcut app, tap on automation, new automation, scroll down. Here you can see battery level. Open this. Here first set battery percentage, then next. Here speak test, you can speak test. Tap on text, type text you want to speak when battery will be full, like I am writing battery full, please plug, remove plug. You can also changes other settings like select voice or other, then done it, test it,
Battery full, please remove plug.
then done. Viewers, in this way you can set full charge voice alert in iPhone. Thanks for watching.